Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first vlog. I've never done one of these before, so bear with me while I get used to this new filming style. I just wanted to do something other than makeup on my channel. I wanted to incorporate some other types of videos like vlogs or maybe like lifestyle types of videos. I'm not really sure yet. I'm kind of in this weird transition with my channel. I don't really know what direction I want it to go into. It is freezing outside, but it's really cozy in here. So I'm gonna make me some iced coffee the way that I always make it. I really don't like hot coffee all that much. I have to really be in the mood for it. Let me know how you guys are about your coffee. Same with like matcha. I prefer an iced matcha latte. That's like my favorite thing ever. I don't have that much planned for today because I don't even have work right now. I'm working till April. I think I talked about it a little bit in the Get Ready With Me that's going up before today's video. I talked about a few things like my New Year's resolutions, a little bit of a life/health update. Side note, I did bring up trying to get approved for more physical therapy in that video, and unfortunately I didn't get approved, which is a bummer, but I'm just gonna keep doing what my therapist taught me to do at home. I'm gonna step it up as well with my Peloton workouts. I'm gonna try to do some more walking as well. I'm kind of tempted to start going to the gym again. I've never been much of a gym person. My husband does go, so I was thinking of like upgrading our membership so that we can both go. I don't know, I'm kind of thinking about it. I'm trying to figure out my life right now. I'm kind of conflicted about a few things in my life. I'm kind of in a transition phase. Did I say phase? Phase in my life. I'm having such a hard time speaking because I just woke up like 30 minutes ago. So yeah, it's been plenty of time for me to wake up. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna make some iced coffee. I just ran out of this cream cheese. I did put it on an English muffin from Dave's Killer Bread, and it was so good. I had it with my omelet and some ketchup. This is their chive flavor. I've had the regular one before from Kite Hill, but this one is even better. I love the texture. It is really close to regular cream cheese. Not 100% there because of course it is vegan, so it's not gonna be 100% identical, but this is, in my opinion, like the closest tasting vegan cream cheese that I've tried. I wanted to give you a bit of a tour of our entertainment center before we take it apart and start building the Kallax system. This is where we have our record player, our Nintendo Switch, the PS5, a bunch of Blu-rays, some vinyl records here, but I keep them mainly over here on the mount dresser, but they just aren't fitting anymore. We did have to put some over here for now. I have this plastic storage container thing. Right now it's holding one of our speakers, which is not ideal. Those little baby heads that you see there are from Halloween from I think a couple of years ago, and we just left them there. But this is just not working for us anymore. Again, it's mainly because of the vinyl records that we wanted to change the furniture. Like, we wanted to switch up our vinyl record storage, but didn't really know how to go about that. So I went on Pinterest and looked up different ideas, and I came across pictures of the Kallax furniture and people using them to store their vinyl records, and I thought that was perfect. It's actually going to be the perfect length as well. I think it's going to start from the end of this speaker to the end of that one, which I thought was perfect. It is a little bit higher than the one that we have right now. Everything's just going to be higher up, which is okay. And here is the after. I had a vision, and this is pretty much my vision. I wanted everything super organized because we do have a lot of stuff. Having it all organized but still visible is just going to help us to actually use everything and find what we're looking for. But here are the records on the top left cube. I have a couple of books here. I do want to get more books because I think I mentioned in the Get Ready With Me before this video that I wanted to read more in 2024. I did already start one other book, and I want to read those 2 books that I have right there and purchase a couple more throughout the year. Well, a few more, because I do want to read at least 12 books in total in 2024. So I like having the books visible and on display. It just reminds me to read. And then here is our Nintendo Switch, all of the PS5 video games. I have some of my workout stuff down there, like my ankle weights, some workout DVDs, and some resistance bands. I like having it there just so that it's easy access whenever I do work out, because I do work out on this rug right here. And then over here we have the Nintendo Switch games and some accessories and a bunch of DVDs. They did take up 2 of the cubes because we do have a lot of them. And then up here, as you can see, the speakers fit perfectly, and now they're level, which I think they're supposed to be. This is where our PS5 is as well. We have our 2 controllers over there. And then here is our record player. I was listening to this last night. This one is called New Bermuda from Deaf Heaven. They are one of my favorite bands. So this, I just love the way it looks. Oh yeah, and this from Overwatch, I think. This is my husband's. It's so cute. If you open it up, it does have the little character in here. I don't know what she's called. I'm going to try not to knock this down because it's not super steady, but we are so happy with this. I feel like the room looks a lot tidier just by switching out this furniture and this whole like system. I'm watching Teresa is Dead, by the way. Okay, time for a food haul. It's mostly snacks with a few soups and a few drinks as well. I placed an order on Thrive Market, and I just wanted to say that this video is not sponsored by Thrive Market. They have no idea who I am. I just order from them from time to time. My husband and I are going on an anniversary trip tomorrow. So I wanted to buy a few things to take with us, just so that we're not like looking for snacks at the gas station or something, or having to go to the grocery store because I know we're gonna watch a couple of movies at the hotel, most likely. Oh, hey, Barbara. This is Barbara, everyone. You wanna say hi? She has a bit of an attitude, and especially with some people, but she can be super sweet. She's really sweet to me. I somehow won her over. You are very curious as to what's in there, huh? I got a few soups because I love these soups from Mike's Mighty Good Craft Ramen. I got 2 of the chicken ramen soups, 2 of the vegetarian vegetable ramen soups. These are just so flavorful. I mean, they're high in sodium technically, but they're not quite as high as some other ramen soups. I got some aloe vera juice, which I've never tried before, and I hope it doesn't taste weird. I read some of the reviews and they said that it tasted fine, but this is supposed to be good for your gut, I think, or just like your digestive system. So I don't know, I wanted to try this. So I got a hefty bottle of this. We'll see how this is. I'm probably gonna taste it later tonight. Okay, these Mexican wedding cookies from Siete, we already tried them last night and they are so good. I wish I would have purchased at least 1 more bag of these because we only have a few left and our trip is tomorrow. So I don't know, we might end up finishing them tonight, but I'm definitely gonna repurchase these because they are really good. I love the texture. They're sweet, but not too sweet. So I'm really glad I got these. These we also already tried last night. These are the Pizzeria Cheesy Filled Pretzel Nuggets from Quinn. I actually got another flavor as well, which we haven't tried yet. These are the chocolate peanut butter ones, and I'm excited about these. I love the fact that these are vegan and yeah, dairy-free, corn-free, vegan-friendly, gluten-free. Thankfully, I can handle dairy, but my husband can't, so that's why I usually buy vegan snacks whenever possible. But these we did try last night, the pizzeria ones, and they were really good. I think they're supposed to be kind of an alternative to combos, the like pizza flavored ones. They're definitely not identical, but they do have like a similar kind of taste. I think it's a really good alternative. Again, I probably should have gotten 1 more bag of these just to like have enough for the week and our trip. I got 2 flavors of the Fit Joy grain-free pretzels. This one is the tangy Dijon mustard one. These are my favorite. Out of all the flavors that I've tried from this brand, I would say this is my favorite flavor. I got 2 bags of these. And then the Hatch Chile Lime. These are actually pretty spicy, so I can barely handle more than like a handful of these, but these are really good as well. I've also tried the vegan white cheddar ones, and those are really good as well. They do taste pretty cheesy. This I actually got for free. This is the Coconut Secret Organic Teriyaki Sauce and Marinade. I'm excited to try this. I love sauces like this for tofu, so I'm gonna use this one of these days. I don't have them with me, but I did get 4 of the Poppy carbonated drinks, and I tried the strawberry one last night and I really like that flavor. I got raspberry, orange, watermelon, so I'll see how I like those, but so far I really liked the strawberry flavor. But I'm actually gonna go ahead and end off the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed my very first vlog. I hope to do more, so let me know if you enjoy these kinds of videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.